As you may be aware, it's Carnivore month this month. That's why I focused a little bit more on Carnivore versus Keto. I wanted to help out my Carnivore brothers and sisters. One thing that's been missing from the Carnivore life, especially those on strict Carnivore, is something crispy. Something you can actually put that meat on and have that nice crisp to go along with that meal. Have you ever missed having a hard shell taco? Or that tortilla chip you used to like to eat? Or maybe a tostada smothered with beef and maybe some au jus? Well, you're in luck, because I'm going to share with you my 2-ingredient recipe to make all 3 of these in about 60 seconds. So let me show you how I make these. Now in a bowl, we're going to be separating 2 egg whites. Now you want to take a mixer, then continue to mix these until you reach stiff peaks like this. Next, we'll be adding rind flour, and you can achieve this by simply crushing your pork rinds, then putting them in something like a NutriBullet and taking them down to a fine consistency like this. See how fine that is? It's very fine flour, and this is key to this recipe working. So make sure you have rind flour, not pork panko. We'll go ahead and sprinkle 1/3 cup over this, and then on low speed, lightly mix this. Now you want to continue to mix this on low speed, and do not overmix this mixture. You want to keep some of the air that is in it. Now you want to continue to mix it until it is well incorporated and looks like this. Now I'll be using a small scooper to keep my measurements fairly close on this recipe. We'll place this at the back of the tortilla press, and then you want to quickly press this down, spreading it out but releasing. As you hear those sounds, if you're not careful making these, you will blow holes in your tortilla. So pay attention to those sounds. We'll go ahead and get this flipped. Press it down. Let that finish off. This part is just a brief couple seconds, and your tortilla is done. You see this? Nice and flexible. Now you want to take your tortilla, coat it with butter, salt it, then we're going to go ahead and cut it up into pieces. Once you've cut it, you want to make sure you separate these, because in the next process they'll stick together if you do not. Now you want to go ahead and place these in the microwave, and we're going to set them for 1 minute. Now take a look at these and listen to this crisp. Now for the hard shell tacos, it took me a while to find this microwave safe taco holder that I could use to form them, and I'll leave a link in the description. Now when making hard shell tacos, you want to either make them a little smaller. As you can see here, this one's too big. I'm going to need to trim it down right here. As you can see here, now it fits, which is very important because you need gravity to form this for you. Now we'll place it in a microwave, and you can actually put more than one. I'm just doing this for video purposes. You will also cook these for 1 minute, just like you will all of these recipes. And as you can see here, straight out the microwave, it holds its form. And now look, you can have a hard shell taco. Look at this. I can actually tap it on the counter. It does not break. Now the tostada is so simple, it doesn't need a video, guys. Just place it on parchment paper, cook it for that minute, and there you have it. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.